As all of you know, alphabets, right? So alphabets from A to Z. Alphabets, there are two types, am I right? Everybody know that, capital and small letters. Yes, can you able to see, dears? I have written from A to Z capital letters. From that, see below, you can able to see the small letters from A to Z. Can you able to see the highlighted letters, that is I shaded with yellow color? I think you find the answer, what are all the letters. Yes, I will tell you about that now. Now below that, you just see here, totally how many alphabets? 26. And the alphabets again divided as vowels and consonants. Yes, anybody ask the question, what is vowels, what is consonants? Anybody know the difference? Yes, now I'm going to say vowels. Just listen clearly. Vowels, we don't close the mouth while pronouncing, but consonants, we will close the mouth, or there are some disturbance with the tongue while pronouncing. For example, take vowels. How many vowels we have? We have how many fingers in the hand? 5 fingers. Okay, we have how many fingers? 5 fingers. So vowels are 5. That is A, E, I, O, U. While pronouncing these vowels, we don't close our mouth. Okay, you just pronounce and see. You can find the difference. Then come to consonants. Consonants, that is other than vowels, or consonants. So consonants, totally we have 21. Remaining are vowels, that is 5 letters are vowels and 21 are consonants. If you pronounce B, the mouth will close. If you pronounce C, the tongue will touch the upper gum. Okay, so that is the difference between vowels and consonants. The difference is okay, but the pronunciation is very important. That will make an English word meaningful. So pronunciation is very, very important. Okay. And now, how you will frame a word? That is, more than one letter can frame a word. You just imagine, if there are no parts in your body, what will happen? It is empty. Yes. So it won't make you as a complete person. So there are more words from more than one letter. Okay, so now come to the sentence. More than a word can frame a meaningful sentence. Yes, can you hear the meaningful? How you can frame a meaningful sentence? That is very important. Now come to some of the examples. Yes, I have given some of the example. Yes, this is one letter word I, a. Two letter word is, am, an. This is a three letter word the, sky, car. Four letter word blue. Five letter word apple. So these are the words going to frame a meaningful sentence. You just imagine, again come to parts of a body. When your ear replace the eyes, what will happen? It is meaningless, am I right? It looks very ugly. So replace. I just, what I'm going to say is, instead of your eyes, the air will present there, means that is not useful, that is not meaningful. Okay, now come to the sentence. So these one letter, two letter, three letter, four letter words make a sentence. You just see the first sentence. The sky is blue. The is the first word of the sentence. This is a three letter word. See, three letter word, the is there. Then sky. Again sky, sky, it is in three letter word. And again is a two letter word. Here it is. Then blue, blue, blue is a four letter word. It is here. Okay. Then I next come to second sentence. I am an apple. I is one letter word. It is in one letter. Am, two letter. An, again two letter. Apple is a five letter. So next come to third sentence. A car, one letter. A, one letter. Car is a three letter. See here. Okay. So more than one letter form a word. More than a word form a sentence. So how it is going to meaningful? The same way, if the air is replaced with I, it is meaningless and it is ugly. Am I right? You just take an example. First one. The sky is blue. I am going to change as there is sky blue. Otherwise, there is blue sky. Take the first sentence. The sky is blue means the meaning is the sky is blue in color. Am I right? But if I change the sentence as there is blue sky, whether it is meaningful? No, it is meaningless. So if we speak a sentence, meaningful is very important. If you don't speak with correct meaning, then no one will understand.